We're here to learn about interquartile ranges. It's something that you haven't learned before, and it's actually pretty easy. If you know how to find the median or the middle of a number, you can do it. You also have to know how to find the range of a number. And the range is a skill that was taught to you by Miss Lib. It's taking the biggest number and subtracting the smallest number from it, and you have your range. So we're going to look at this set of data, the number of animal crackers in each kid's lunchbox. And you always need to put your data in order first. It says sort the data from least to greatest. So we are going to do this. I am going to get my pen out and I'm going to draw some awesome drawings of these numbers. So we have 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. Okay, we want to find the median, the number in the middle. So first you are going to find the median. Okay, we need that first. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 numbers here. So the fifth number over is going to be in the one in the middle. So the way you've done it is first, last, first, last, first, last, first, last. And this is our number in the middle. As I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 is our median. So now let me switch colors. So we have these numbers remaining, and we have these numbers remaining. So we need to find the interquartile range, which is going to be the range of the median of these numbers and the median of these numbers. Like I said, it's finding the median of the median. So let's see what we have here. In the middle of these numbers, 4 and 7, beginning and middle. We have 2 in the middle, so we add them up and divide by 2. Add them up, you get 10. Half of 10 is 5. So the median of this range is 5. Now we got to find over here. 11, 15. We have 2 in the middle. Add them up, you get 26. Half of 26 is 13. Or, if you knew, 13 has to be in the middle of 12 and 14. So we have our numbers of 5 and 13. Those are our interquartile numbers. So this is the lower quartile and this is the upper quartile, which you're going to learn a little bit later. So I take 13 minus 5 and I get 8. So my interquartile range is 8, or my IQR equals 8. Okay, so every other problem is just doing it like this. Now these are the same way, so it looks a little bit different. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. So it might be going to look slightly different even though we do the same procedure. So my numbers are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, 3, a 4, a 7, and a 7. I want to find first the median of this. So in order to do that, I need to find the middle. Beginning, end, beginning, end, beginning, end, beginning, end. Ooh, I have a beginning and an end there. So I need to find out what's in the middle of 1 and 3. Well, right in the middle of 1 and 3 is a 2. Okay, this is the trickier part. Since I didn't use the 1 and I didn't use the 3, my median was a 2. I can use that for this. I have 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1 on this side, and here I have 3, 3, 4, 7, and 7, because the 1 and the 3 were not used as the median. A 2 was a number that wasn't there, so we are free to use all these numbers. So we got to find the middle of this. 0 versus that one, 0 versus that one. Hey, we have a 0. So 0 is our lower quartile, upper quartile, 3, 7, 3, 7. We have a 4 for upper quartile. So our interquartile range is this minus this. 4 minus 0 is 4. So my interquartile range is 4. Basically, you're finding the median on the left and the median on the right. And once you have them, subtract. Okay, we're going to do another example. Same thing. And we have all these numbers here. So we need to put them in order first. So do something in purple. 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Got a 1. See 2 and 2. 4, 5. 7, 8, 10. 7, 8, 10. Let's see how many numbers there are. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's an odd number. So I know there's going to be one number in the middle, and it'll be the 6th one, but 0, 10, we can prove that. 0, 8, 0, 7, there, beginning, end, and our number in the middle is a 2. So our median is that 2 right there. We have used that 2, so we can't use it again. So the numbers that we haven't used on this side are this. The numbers we haven't used on this side are this. So we need to find the middle of these numbers. Beginning, end, beginning, end. It's 0 again. Beginning, end, beginning, end. It's 7. 7 minus 0. So we have the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the range is the biggest minus the smallest. And I have an IQR of 7. That's an awesome looking 7. Okay, so you're doing the same thing for every problem. You just need to get the numbers in order first to start. If you don't get them in order, it's going to mess up your problem drastically. So let's see, we have numbers in order. We have a 1, we have a 2, 3 and a 3, 4, 4, 4, and a 6. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So there's going to be 2 in the middle when we get our median. So just slightly harder than having 1 in the middle. So beginning, end, beginning, end, beginning, end. So we have a 3 and a 4. And the middle is going to be between the 3 and the 4. What's between 3 and 4? Well, 3.5. Or add them up. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Now, since we didn't use this 3, we can include this in the data set here. And we didn't use this 4, we can use it over here. Now we need to find the lower quartile and the median of that. So beginning, end. So we have 2 and 3. Add them up, you get 5. Half of 5 is 2.5. Or we know 2.5 is in between 2 and 3. Here, beginning, end. 4 and 4. What's in the middle of 4 and 4? Well, it's a 4. Add them up, you get 8. Half of 8 is 4. So if you have the same number twice, that's your answer. So we have 4 minus 2.5. Line up the decimals. 4 is actually 4.0. That is 10. Borrow, that's 3. 1.5. So my interquartile range is 1.5. Okay, That's how you do it. Numbers in orders first. Find the median on the left, find the median of the right, and subtract those two, and you'll get an interquartile range. Okay, good luck on your problems. And I think you have 8 of those to do, just like this.